Today is officially the first day of spring. Certified meteorologist Mikayla Smith has a look back at winter and how cold it was compared to average.
Today is officially the first day of spring, so let's take a look back at our winter in Tulsa. We had 6 days that we had recorded snowfall, and then 4 days that we had at least a trace of something. Now, it doesn't take much. That could have been sleet or maybe a little bit of ice as well, but really the bigger days again we had was the 6 days of snowfall, and that gave us 10.3 inches of snow this season. That's about 2.9 inches above average, so again, we had some pretty snowy days and definitely had multiple times that we were able to get outside and make some snowmen. Now for the rainfall total, this includes the melting that we had with snow and just good old-fashioned rain. We had about 5.24 inches, and that's from December, January, February into the first few days of March, and that puts us about 3.54 inches below average, so we actually didn't have a ton of rainfall this winter. That's a big part of why things are so dry right now, and another part why that fire danger has been so high. Now looking at that time period, we're 5.16 degrees above average, so things were a little bit warmer. Thank you, December, for that. You can see December was almost 8 degrees above average, while February was very nice last month if you're a fan of things being actually a little bit colder, and was about 4 degrees below average. But again, when it all settled out, we did end up with more above average temperatures than anything else. Now the coldest temperature that we had in the winter was 1 degree. That was back on February 20th. And then the warmest temperature we had happened twice, actually. It was 83 degrees. The first time it happened was February 3rd. And then the second time it happened was this month on March 11th. And finally, wrapping up winter in Oklahoma as a whole, it was a pretty busy winter. Last winter, we only had 2 tornadoes statewide. This time we had 13, and they all happened earlier on this month as well on March 4th. So that is a look at your winter wrap up. Hopefully our spring season won't be too chaotic. Back to you.